Friends, practice the shorthand speed for 5 to 6 times and at the same time practice the shorthand outlines for 5 to 6 times, then take the dictation. ఈ పాసేజ్ యొక్క పీడిఎఫ్ లింక్ అనేది డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఇవ్వబడింది. స్టార్ట్. It gives me great pleasure to come here and meet you all. I would like to thank the Home Minister for asking me to take part in this meeting. I am happy to be able to take part in meetings such as this. I value very much coming into contact with the officers who are in touch with the everyday administration. I am glad to note that there has been no serious happenings in the state during the past year, and even those which happened were dealt with finally. There have been, of course, a few sad situations when the guards had to open fire. There is a good report in the field of investigation. I have noted with satisfaction the fall in the number of cases and at the same time an improvement in the situation over the last few years. It is a matter of satisfaction that the guards have taken care when there were national hardships. It is the duty of the guards to go to the help of the common man when he is in difficulty. I wish to record the good work done by you in giving support when the state faced hardships. As regards the relations between the guards and the public, I am very happy to note that there has been good improvement. There has been a marked change in the opinion of the guards towards the public and that of the public towards guards. The government are keen to provide all help to the guards to make their families live happily. I feel that it is up to us to ensure the safety of the families of our guards who will be away on the work. I would like to assure that we will take all care of the families.